channel.
Hi guys!
Yan ang aking mga friendship. We are going.
Happy Sunday guys!
Yeah, magkuklose kami guys. Sightseeing sa Putrajaya. We are here in Putrajaya now. Yan, waiting. Yeah, celebrating ang birthday ng aming Golden Age. Golden Age, but looks not Golden Age. Natulog siya. See? So,
The Golden Girl.
yan, naka-golden kami lahat. Yan, what a nice view here. Putrajaya, exploring Putrajaya. Ayan guys, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo pag nasa boat na kami. Thank you guys. See you later. Ayan guys, we're waiting kami na ito ang waiting.
Kasi payo ko.
Ayan guys, mga tourist. Mga tourist.
Dito ano nakalagay sa atin? Kasi yung nabili pamita mo lang.
Again. Ayan. Boarding room. Guys, papasok na kami.
Dito daw tayo kapila.
Ini belum lagi, ini semua. Lain.
Adel. Doon tayo sa dulo.
Magkakamarinate na tayo.
Yan guys, dito na kami. Dito kami sa dulo. Yan guys, punta na kami sa our turn. Yung friendship ko mo nag-isa. Yeah, first time here in Putrajaya na mag-cruise. Guys. Yan, pasok na kami ng gate. Excited much.
First time.
Cruise dito.
Ha?
Dito.
Saan ka dati?
Langkawi.
Ayaw.
Welcome on board. Ang cute. Ang ganda.
Ilan? Mura.
Guys, para kami nasa ano, oh. Ayan si Captain. Ay! Nakikita ba tayo dyan? Hindi masyadong makikita pala yung labas. Ayun sa taas. Ayun, may taas. Bawal dun.
Ha?
Bawal.
Hindi pwede?
Ayun, umalis na sila. Picture pa.
Ay, naku. 100 yan. Gano'y bayad yan? 100. Parang sa Jen, 100.
Gusto lang naman yan.
Dito tayo.
Guys. Oh guys, sa gabing madilim. Maambun siya, guys. Dahan-dahan, baka madulas. Diyan tayo sa gilid, Aileen, para makapag-ano tayo. Para makapag-video.
Dito ako sa gilid.
Diyan ako, Liz. Liz, diyan ako para makapag-video tayo.
Naka-prenti pa. Naka-prenti pa.
Ayan o, diba? O, ayan o. Ayan o. Hi!
Hi guys! Happy trip.
Ayan guys o. Ayan o. Ayan o. Guys, show na. Doon lang pala madilim. Wala ako hanggang ano, diba? Ang ganda. Ito na moss.
Talaga ako dito.
Aileen.
Sinandala ko na ng picture.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Putrajaya Technology Service. Our journey will begin from Putra Jetty until Sri Communal Beach. We'll be turned back using the same water safety precautions, safety vest and proceed. If it is not available, we have extra vest and contact. Smoking, legs and alcohol are strictly prohibited and all elements are disposable. In case of any emergency, please do not panic. Please follow the instruction given by the captain. Emergency exit at the front and at the access for the captain. Repeat, is Captain Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, on your right side you can see a pink color dome building. It's a Putra Mosque and also non-supporting mosque. Putra Mosque is the first mosque in Putrajaya and it was built in 1997 and completed in 1989. It can accommodate up to 15,000 worshippers at any one time. The design houses made of three Islamic countries, which is Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. On your right side, you can see a grey colored rooftop. It's the Darul Ihsan Palace. Darul Ihsan Palace is for the royal state of Selangor. Sultan Sharafuddin Idrisha Al-Hajj. Putrajaya Mosque, formerly known as the Perang Besar Estate, which is a part of the state in Selangor. Sultan Selangor was given a Perang Besar Estate to the federal government, and as a reward they give this palace to him. Selangor is one of the states in Malaysia. Putrajaya has been divided into two parts, which is on the right side is the mainland and the left side is a core island. The Cambridges was connected from this mainland to the core island, and one of the bridges is still under construction. Right in front of you, it is a Sri Wawasan Bridge, Wawasan Mini Region. The length of this bridge is 240 meters. The design was inspired from the Swan Bridge in Rotterdam, Holland.
Ay! Bridge. Video. Hi guys! Ito kami sa cruise. Putrajaya. Yan kami. Enjoying here. Boating doon. Doon ba yung boating? Ayun. Yan siguro. Ito yung bridge. Guys, yung bridge. Bridge.
Hindi tayo dumaan dyan, mama, no?
Hindi. Yan, sa bridge kami guys. Maganda. Napunta na ako doon. Napunta na ako doon. Enjoy man. Pwede ka mo umikot doon. Oo! Pwede kang bumalik. Aquarium.
Ladies and gentlemen, on your right side, there are a few residential houses. There are few private houses located at this city. This is Seventy House, have 3 stories, and inside this house has an elevator and also swimming pool. The price of this house is quite expensive, beginning from 3 to 4 million ringgit Malaysian.